Hi, doctors. Welcome to another session of MBBS, MD, and more. There has been a lot of uncertainty regarding NEET PG date. Till November, we were studying targeting 10 Jan. Then, after one notice of Health Ministry and Family Welfare, we came to know it will be around March April. But very recently, there is one video going viral with NBA director saying exam will be around April May. So you see, there is a crisis going on, and you are not getting any closure on NEET PG exam date. And meanwhile, you have reached the top level of procrastination and lost 1 or 2 precious months of your preparation. But let me remind you of a famous quote by Albert Einstein. In the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. So what is your opportunity here? It's an opportunity to add one more degree by the side of your name. It's an opportunity to reply those relatives of yours who ask, "Tum kis cheez ke doctor ho?" It's an opportunity to come out of the zone of working as intern, house staffs, following every command of your PGs. It's an opportunity to be in the command. It's an opportunity to enhance your knowledge in this great field of medicine. And all of this is just a few months of hard work away. Just a few months of blood and sweat. Just a few months of organized, integrated, consistent and smart study. And you will own it all. So you, doctor, are you motivated enough to do it? Are you motivated enough to endure these few months of pain for the lifelong greater gain? If yes, then build these 10 habits to make your dream come true. I am giving you 10 daily habits in the form of a study wheel to get yourself back on track. Number 1. Wake up by 7 am. You should always start your day early. There is nothing more serene to wake up in the morning, getting some fresh air when there is minimum noise around you. Trust me, just 5 minutes of being in this ambience will rejuvenate yourself to sail you through your whole day. And anyway, you have to give exam in the day hours, right? So better condition your brain to work efficiently at daytime. Number 2, meditation. Though I am no one to preach you about meditation, but all of us know there are great benefits of doing it every day. It not only boosts your memory, but also calms you down from inside, which will help you to remember this huge syllabus of 19 subjects and prepare you to give your best. Number 3, breakfast. It may sound silly, but it's very important. Don't ever skip breakfast. No matter how much hectic your day is, have your breakfast first and then get to study. Number 4, study 10 hours. There is no excuse for a NEET PG aspirant not to study for anything less than 10 hours at this time of the year. Dear doctor, not every year you get this opportunity. Not every year NEET PG gets postponed by 4 months. You may be writing this exam for the first time or second, third, fourth. It doesn't matter. You have to make this time count. Number 5, exercise. Yeah, I know. We doctors are no pro athlete. Well, you don't have to be. But whenever we prepare for an entrance exam, we tend to take break from the outside world. And we make our lives very sedentary. But NEET PG is a big exam. This exam will not only brainstorm your memory, but will also get on your nerves. And preparing for this exam is even worse. You will encounter many downfalls and negativity. But only a daily dose of 10 minutes of exercise is enough to make those endorphins in your body fill you with positive vibes and make you exam ready. Number 6, 100 MCQs. You know what? You can study 16 hours, 18 hours, or even whole day But if you don't assess where you stand, all your hard work will go in vain. You will be completely clueless before exam. Practice MCQs every day from the topics that you have learned that day. It can be from question bank or previous year's questions. If you are done with question bank, then make custom modules and solve it. Build your reflexes of MCQ solving, as it is a must have to crack this exam. Number 7, hashtag NEET100. I call it mini grand test. The basic idea is to simulate a real exam and appear for it every day. What you have to do is to make a custom module of 100 questions, selecting all 19 subjects and apply hashtag recent NEET. It may seem nothing, but will be very beneficial in the long run. Number 8, hashtag AIMS25. You should solve at least 25 AIMS pattern MCQs every day. As you know, whatever AIMS has asked in last 3 years is a potential question for the upcoming NEET PG. I am showing you from Marrow as I am a Marrow Plan C user. Make a custom module with 25 questions, selecting all 19 subjects and apply hashtag AIMS. And make sure you solve one such module every day. Number 9, revision. Though I am mentioning it once, but I should have mentioned it 100 times. Revise, revise, and revise. Don't even dare to go to bed before revising all the topics that you have learned that day, because revision is the key. Number 10, maintain hygiene. Last but not the least. I know it sounds silly and so basic. Then why I am even mentioning it? Just to reach the mark of number 10? No, dear doctors. It may seem to many of you that letting go of everything else and study is the only way to do well in exams. But let me tell you, going crazy on endorsing unhygienic habits like not brushing teeth, skipping shower, keeping untidy clothes will drown you in negative vibes only. So if you have any of these habits, disown them right now. Clean your surroundings, your room, your study table, arrange bookshelves, take shower, wash your face whenever you feel tired. Let the positive energy come into you and fill you with prosperity and take you one step closer to your dream. Here, this is the whole study habit tracker wheel consisting of 10 things that you should do each and every day. I have marked all 30 days of a month starting from the 1st to 38th. When you finish one task, tick the box against it or fill it with the corresponding color to make it more engaging. For your convenience, I have made this in PDF and shared it in the description box. You can download it, print it, preferably in color, and put it in front of your study desk and keep tracking. Your best performance will be when you complete the circle without any break. If you find it helpful, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want to appreciate my work, just give a thumbs up. Also, share it with your friends in WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I upload new videos every Thursday. Thank you for watching and all the very best. Rise and shine.